We are asked to evaluate f of 1 and f of negative 3, and we are given a function f of x equals 8 multiplied by x plus 2. There are two methods we can use to solve this problem. The first method involves using our number machine. Now, what is a number machine? Well, we are going to go through step by step and show how the function is constructed. Okay, so we have an input, which is x, and it goes into a function box. Okay, when we begin with x, the first thing we do is we multiply by 8. And then there's an output, okay, which goes in through further processing. After multiplying by 8, the second operation is adding 2. And then we have an output. So let's say we want to evaluate f of 1. Our input would be 1, and this number 1 would be processed twice. So after passing through the first box, we will multiply 1 by 8 and we will get 8. And then we will add 8 to 2 and we will get 10. So our output would be 10. Okay, so f of 1 is equals to 10. That is the answer for f of 1. Let's try negative 3 and see if this will work for negative 3. So we construct our number machine just as before, because we are using the same function. And our input is now negative 3. So negative 3 is multiplied by 8. We know that a negative by a positive gives a negative. 3 times 8 is 24, so we have negative 24. Now we are going to add 2 to that negative 24. We know that negative 24 plus 2 is negative 22. So therefore f negative 3 is equals to negative 22. Method 2, using substitution, which is a more common method. We have our function f of x is equals to 8x plus 2. And we must evaluate f of 1. As we can see, x has now been replaced by 1. So we have to substitute a 1 wherever we see x. So 8x will now become 8 times 1 plus 2. Note that this is not 81 but 8 multiplied by 1. So 8 multiplied by 1 plus 2 will give 8 plus 2, which gives us 10, which is the same answer we got when we used the number machine. Now, using the same function, f of x equals 8x plus 2, we will evaluate f of negative 3. So now x has become negative 3. We must replace the x by negative 3. So instead of 8x, we'll have 8 with negative 3 next to it in brackets plus 2. Note well that only the letters change into numbers, and the 8 and the 2 remain the same because they are constants. 8 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 24 plus 2, which gives us negative 22, which is the same answer we got when we used the number machine. Thank you for viewing, and I hope this was helpful to you.